I'm going to show you guys everything that I eat to get shredded as a vegan bodybuilder on a cut. So from morning till night, everything that I eat, I'm going to take you guys through and show you the macros, protein, carbs, fat, everything. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I have been cutting for a while and my cut's been going pretty good. My calories have stayed literally the same for a long time. I've been losing weight consistently. I don't think I'm going to change my calories at all. My calories right now are around 22 to 2300. And sometimes it fluctuates, goes over or under, but roughly it's about around there. And that's where we're going to sort of aim for today. So the first meal that I had was a shake, a smoothie. I added 251 cup of this plant mix protein milk, which was pretty cool. I've never seen this before. I tried this and it actually tastes really nice. It's like a blend of all these different plant-based milks. Has 10 grams of protein in a cup, so that's really good. 50 grams of protein oats. These new Australian Carmen's oats that came out, and I love these. I think these are my favorite protein oats. There are protein oats out there that make my stomach sick. This one isn't. This one is really nice. I like this one. 35 grams of vegan protein, and I added in 2 tablespoons of protein peanut butter. Now it's protein peanut butter. It has 6.1 grams of protein each serve, so 12.2 grams of protein in this, which is really nice. I love peanut butter. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I absolutely love peanut butter. And I'm so deep into my cut that everything tastes good and peanut butter tastes even more incredibly amazing. I added in 100 grams of frozen blueberries. I added in a little bit of sugar-free maple syrup. Now I added this in just for the taste, and it just adds that extra sweetness that I love. I've been using this sugar-free maple syrup as a sweetener for a long time, and I think it works perfect in a smoothie like this. So this is my first meal. The macros for this meal will be up on the screen right now. Now my second meal, I actually found this plant-based chicken strips from a grocery store. It was on clearance, and I've tried this before and I wanted to try it again because it was really cheap. It was on sale for $3 and I got it. It's insanely high in protein. It's made from wheat gluten, so not from soy, and I really like this. This is one of my favorite things. I don't usually get it because it's so expensive, but when it's on sale, why not? So I got that. So I just added 1 cup of water into the plant-based chicken mix. It has flavoring in it. Just mix it around. I lightly sprayed olive oil on the pan, and I put the chicken in there, fried it around for a bit. And then I added in some coleslaw mix that I bought just to add in some more vegetables, some more volume, because I need to get more vegetables in my day. So I did that, and I added in some beef stock, which is plant-based, and the flavor that it adds to food is amazing. So I added in the beef stock, and I added in a little bit of chaat masala, which you can get from Indian stores. And this is something that I've started to use in all my foods, and it makes such a big difference. So I added that in, and then I added in 300 grams of white rice, white basmati rice. This was my carbs for the day. I was feeling incredibly hungry, so I wanted to have all my carbs sort of at once. Well, the bulk of my carbs at once, so I had it all in this meal. I added in the rice, I mixed it around, and sort of made like a fried rice with it, and it tasted so good. This was amazing. I have the macros on the screen right now. I added some sriracha sauce on top, and this was actually such a nice meal, and it filled me up so much. So that was my second meal. Now my third and final meal, I wanted to get in a bit more volume because as I get deeper into my cut, even though my calories are the same, my training's gotten harder. I'm pushing myself more in the gym. I'm getting leaner, and I'm starting to get more and more hungrier. So when I'm hungry, I try to hack my way around volume in foods. So things like soups, adding more salads. So I made like soup with red lentils. So I started off with 4 cups of hot. Well, I started boiling 4 cups of water in a pot. I added in a teaspoon and a half of beef stock, and then I added in some frozen vegetables, peas, corn, and capsicum, just to get more vegetables in. I added in a can of kidney beans, and then I added in 85 grams of red lentils, and then I added in a little bit of curry powder. And I just sort of let this come to boil and simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes, or until the lentils. I like it really soupy. I like it when the red lentils really sort of becomes really watery. I like to really take my time drinking the soup. So I cooked it for a bit longer so it becomes really watery. And yeah, this was my last meal. And as you can see, it looks really big, but it's actually really low in calories. So this was my last final meal. The macros will be up on the screen right now. And as you can see, I've only had 3 meals today, but 3 big meals, and it's really filled me up. At the end of the day, I feel really full. I like having 3 meals, 3 big meals. I'm not a fan of having 4 to 5 to 6 smaller meals, especially when I'm cutting. So I found 3 meals is that sweet spot for me. Sometimes I feel like having smaller meals, a bit of snacks here and there, but usually I like to stick to bigger meals, less of them. Sometimes even 2 meals. It all depends. So all of this came out to 20, 2200 calories. But I didn't add the vegetables in my calories. I don't usually add vegetables in my calories. I don't think I'm going to start doing that until I'm a bit deeper into my cut where everything matters. Right now, I'm losing weight consistently. I'm adding the same amount of vegetables every single day. But yeah, so I'd fall in somewhere between 22 to 2300 calories. And the macros, because of the plant-based chicken that we had today, my protein was really high. I hit 194 grams of protein, 249 grams of carbs, and 37 grams of fat. Honestly, cutting, getting shredded, especially as a vegan, in general, it's just sticking to the process. Trust the process. It works. Sticking to your macros, calories, you're not going to see progress straight away, but if you stick to it, if you put in the work, stay disciplined, because it's not motivation that's going to get you there, it's discipline. So if you stay disciplined, stick to a proper routine, go to the gym, stay on top of your food, you're going to see results over time. That's all it is. It's sticking to the process. Trust the process. It works. And if you have trouble sort of sticking to a plan, if you have trouble sticking to a meal plan, if you're not sure, if you think this is all complicated, I get it. When I first started, all of this was super complicated. I didn't know what I was doing. But if you feel like you need some sort of guidance, if you feel like you need a plan, some kind of workout plan, meal plan, to sort of guide you in the right direction, you need that extra bit of accountability. I just started online coaching. So if you feel like you need that extra push, if you need someone there to guide you, you can check out my online coaching plans. It'll be in the description box below. And I also have workout plan. I've put up a workout plan. It is live right now. So you can go check that out. It is a 4-day full body split. It is similar to what I followed to sort of get shredded. I did it for the past 4 months and I saw tremendous progress with a full body split. So I highly recommend doing a full body split if you've done pretty much all the splits and you haven't really done a full body split before. I think a full body split is amazing. So if you want a workout plan, you can check out my workout plan in the description box below. I hope you guys learned something from this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one.